What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft on your PC. So firstly, what you want to do is to go on Google. Here you're going to search for Minecraft. Then as you can see, the first link that has appeared is the official link for Minecraft. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to go in top right corner where you see account. You're going to click on it and you're going to click on download. If you don't have Minecraft, you can buy it by clicking on this link, or if you do, you can click download for Windows. So let's click on it. As you can see, a Minecraft installer has been downloaded, so let's double click on it to open it. Here you're going to accept the terms, then you're going to click on install. Now you have to wait for it to download and install. The installation is timed, so what we're going to do is to click on let's go. As you can see, Minecraft launcher has been installed, so now all we got to do is to choose between Java edition or Bedrock edition, then we're going to click on play. And again, we're going to wait for it to install. And now we can play Minecraft on our PC. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.